This is Jake with Avi-on. Let's talk about how to link the ZoneScanner app to your project. There are other videos that cover the topic of what the ZoneScanner app is and how to use the tool. This video is going to cover how to get a 4-digit code that will link your project to the ZoneScanner app. First, each Avi-on project or account is secure and encrypted. Each project will have an email and password associated with it. You interface with the project using this email address and password. Let me show you how to get the 4-digit code to link the ZoneScanner app to your project. Using a web browser on your computer, go to myaccount.avion.com. Sign in with the account's email address and password. Once you have signed in, go to the ZoneScanner menu. From here you can create a new code. Enter a name. Set the expiration date. I always pick the longest option. Fill in the optional scope and tags if you wish, then select Save. It now displays the 4-digit code used to link the ZoneScanner app to the project's account. Closing this window, you can now see the name, the code, and the expiration date of that code. There are other options on the right: a copy icon that copies the 4-digit code, an edit button where you can edit the name of who the code is for, and a trash can icon that will disable the code. There is also some very useful data here as well. You can see how many zones and devices have been scanned, and the last time any scanning changes have been updated. At any time you can export the zones and have a list of the data in a spreadsheet format. What do you do from here? You will want to send the 4-digit code along with a video explaining the ZoneScanner app to the tech on site. You can find the video called Introduction to the ZoneScanner app on the Avi-on website.